Uh, Hi, good morning, good day. So today as I said, I will demo to you, explain. I will make it. I will make it short the video, just to uh, for your study purpose to play and replay again. The video that I have demo to you today will be um, PostgreSQL SQL to DataGrid. So at the same time my code is dynamic. Then I created separate function for that. Then call it the main function. Then I demo the one by from the SQL Server to Postgre. Okay. So I explained the code shortly, and you can review. Then explain also the component in the PG admin, which you can create the database. By the way, I use the same data, the CSV data that I create from Python. Then I imported to PostgreSQL by PG Compass. Yeah, PG admin, sorry, PG admin. Uh, I think that the way the application that I said is Mongo Compass. Sorry, is all is I will create separate video for that. So Mongo Compass is for admin tool for MongoDB. Okay, start. Oh, sorry. Okay. So uh, on Postgre Visual Studio, you must have first installed the component. We call it npgsql. This one. Sometimes it's very tricky because it's required um, downgrade framework. So this time I use 4.1 as the by default for 4.72 by default. So the one that is 4.110. So you can install that by default. The default on the Visual Studio 2022 is 10.0. So you need to do, it's not compatible with 4.72 because 4.72 framework is compatible with SQL Server, MySQL, and Oracle. So 4.110 is compatible with 4.72. So do not be confused. You can install by command line in NuGet. Okay. So this all the PostgreSQL, but I just only need this one, the driver, PostgreSQL. Okay, fine. Then after that, I go to code. So I created uh, port port functions, which is PostgreSQL, PostgreSQL database to just to for not to you confuse, to avoid confusion. I just uh, close the code bracket for Oracle database, MySQL, and SQL Server. Okay, this function I explained before in my previous video. So this time is PostgreSQL database. So PostgreSQL database. So I use the same try catch, data table. For the SQL, so the next is different. So by default, localhost, the port number 540, 54, 32, the user ID is Postgre, and then the same password Postgre. Then I created DevDB in the PG admin. PG admin I will show you later. Then after that, I connected that. Then whatever the value of this one, it will be initialized to NPG. So yeah. Then first is the established connection. Connection should be initialized. Then after that, I use NPG SQL connection, which included on the Postgre NPG SQL driver. Okay. Then after that, try cache. Connection open, established, and it will indicate connected. Then after that, then SQL exception, it will consult the right it Postgre NPG SQL exception is will be right if they have exception or error during runtime or compile, it will be tried in the console. Connection within the example error. Okay? It's like I did before in the tweet function. Okay? And after that, in SQL 1, command that we interpret query from that query that the connection, then feed the table, as I said, it will be is faster than data set, then feed the table temporal, then it will be read to read only, then the system source is feed the table, then it will be explained on DataGrid view. Okay, and then it will be in match as possible. Then it will be automatically the indicator that time in PostgreSQL. Okay, that's all. Then try catch, and try catch, then what is the error, missing syntax, missing or invalid syntax or invalid parameter, it will be exception. It will be thrown as PostgreSQL section, then SQL error, then throw an error. Okay, that's all. Now I run this. Then also you can configure the framework. So in project and the application property. So this one, right? It's up to you, whatever your framework is compatible. But if you change the framework, it will affect also some other projects that you have installed in your applications. Okay, remember that. I run now. See? Okay, then I run again the SQL query. Okay, SQL Server is compiled. So, right? Okay, same, right? Same. Okay, and after that, MySQL. So this is MySQL, right? Same view that I showed before. Then after that, go to MySQL workbench. Then query. Same, right? Same, right? Okay. Then after that, Oracle. Execute. Oracle. After that, SQL developer. So this is a database. Employee name. Okay. Same, right? Same. Okay. Then PostgreSQL. So SQL, you need the database will be actually will be create your schema first. Then after the schema, you have a table. Then you will create your column, field, or import your data from CSV, raw file. Okay. Okay. Paste. Execute. That's PostgreSQL. Right? This is PostgreSQL. Okay. Go to pgadmin. Okay, campaign name. Anyway, the PostgreSQL interface is very good now. You can download that on PostgreSQL website. So TCP admin is like a SQL management for Postgre. Okay. So I run the query. See, this is a table. Okay. Same, right? By the way, create first a schema under the database. You must create first create database. Then after that, create a schema. This one. Then after that, you can create your table or to import your data. So this data I imported from the generated CSV file that I generate from my created Python script. Then I import to SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, and this time Postgre. So that's same, right? Okay. If you have questions, don't forget to email me in gpam205@hotmail.com and gpam205@gmail.com. Thank you and good day and happy New Year. Happy New Year.